Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Volvo XC90 T6 R design. And this is finished in passion red. Dual exhaust, R design, painted wheels. Three 360-degree camera view system. Start up here at the driver front wheel. Notice a little bit of curb rash along the lip. There's a few spots. There's a little bit there, as well as there. 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. Back here at the driver rear wheel, great shape. A little bit of curb rash down there at the bottom of the lip. And a few other very light spots there. Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 tires. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape. Again, a little bit of curb rash there, and a few spots right there. Got blind spot information systems. Finally, up here at the passenger front, this one's got probably the most substantial amount of curb rash. Front and rear parking sensors. And this is equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged, supercharged 4-cylinder engine. Take it to the inside. We've got a charcoal black suede and partial leather. Got contrast stitching. Got rear sunshades. This is equipped with the 3rd row seating. Rear climate control, 3-stage heated outboard seats. Nice big panoramic roof. Got Harman Kardon premium sound. Driver memory seats. Power adjustable driver seat. You have lumbar support, adjustable knee bolsters, and hip bolsters. Got the R Design logo embossed in the front headrests. Large infotainment system. Got your controls for heads-up display, blind spot monitoring, road sign information, and collision avoidance. Multi-function steering wheel. This is 3-stage heated, and the driver and passenger seats are also 3-stage heated as well. Digital instrument cluster. Current mileage showing 43747. And if you can see there, there's your heads-up display. Lots of advanced safety equipment. Wonderful cars to drive and own. If you have any questions, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. Be more photos of this vehicle on our website, so please check those out at autoassets.com.